Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If your Spotify Wrapped is not working, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till then and follow my step to fix the problem. First, when you're facing this problem, then go to the Play Store and search here Spotify and check for update. If update is available, then update it. Otherwise, follow next step. Next step is long press on the Spotify and click on the app info icon. Click on this and go to the storage and cache. Now once clear cache and once clear storage. After doing this step, again open Spotify app and check the problem. If problem is persist, then next is go to the Spotify, open your account, log out and log in again the account. After doing this step, if the problem is persist, then next is check your internet connection is working properly or not. If internet is not working properly, then fix the internet problem and check the problem. So by this way you can fix the problem. I hope this video is for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.